smiling. Ciao, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're diving into the rich flavors of traditional Italian cuisine with one of its iconic dishes, eggplant parmigiana. Stay with us till the end because we'll also compare the Sicilian and Neapolitan versions of this classic recipe. Let's get started. For our eggplant parmigiana, we'll need the following ingredients for 4 people: 3 to 4 medium eggplants, sliced lengthwise olive oil for frying 400 grams of tomato puree, 2 garlic cloves, minced fresh basil as needed, 250 grams mozzarella, preferably buffalo mozzarella, cut into cubes 100 grams, Parmigiano Reggiano, grated salt and pepper, just enough. First, let's prepare our eggplants. Cut them into slices about 1 centimeter thick. Sprinkle them with coarse salt and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This helps remove excess water and bitterness. Next, we grill or pan-fry the eggplant slices until they're soft and golden. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. While the eggplants are cooking, let's make our tomato sauce. Heat some olive oil in a pot, add minced garlic and lightly fry it. Then pour in the tomato puree and add fresh basil leaves. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Now for the assembly. Lightly grease the bottom of a baking tray with tomato sauce. Layer the eggplant slices, then cover with more tomato sauce, mozzarella cubes, and a sprinkling of Parmigiano Reggiano. Repeat until you run out of ingredients, finishing with tomato sauce, Parmesan, and mozzarella on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30-40 minutes until the top is golden and bubbly. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious traditional eggplant parmigiana. But before you go, let's quickly compare the Sicilian and Neapolitan versions. The Sicilian version uses thinly sliced fried eggplant with tomato sauce, cheese, basil, and often hard-boiled eggs. It's lighter and often served at room temperature. The Neapolitan version is thicker, with grilled eggplant, richer tomato sauce, and more compact layers, usually served hot. Both are delicious in their own right. Try them and find your favorite. Thanks for watching. Buon appetito! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite version of eggplant parmigiana. Arrivederci.